In this video, I want to show you my second program, which is called UCS Renamer. UCS being shorter for Universal Category System. Sorry for my voice, I'm a bit sick now, but you'll understand what I'm saying. This program is supposed to help you speed up the work when renaming sound effects following UCS regulations, and you have these fields to fill with text. This program is supposed to be used after you finished working with the clipboard manager, or you don't need to use it at all if you don't want, but this is how I work. You saw in the previous video how the clipboard manager works. If you didn't, search it on my channel or follow the link in the description of this video. So after we finished working with the clipboard manager, I can now minimize it, and I'll show you how UCS Renamer works with the new library I'm now preparing. It's not finished, and I only have 3 files where I finished editing, but these 3 files are enough to show you how the program works. It is a library of BMW M5 sports sedan, and this will help me show you how the UCS Renamer works. So I open the sound miner, and I'll put these 3 files into the sound miner. So sound miner is a great tool for sorting up your sound effect libraries, finding what you need, and also for creating new sound libraries, because you can here add tags and metadata for library name, ID, the name of the files, keywords, microphones which were used for the recording, also the recorder, and so on. So let's pretend I filled all these fields, all these columns and rows, and these 3 files, I'll select them all. And this is what we need now. So when I click here, I have the list of all categories which you can choose. Since this is a car, I'll type car and go to the end to find what I actually need, and that is this and this. So I'm selecting the category, and you see this prefix which I'll use. I'll type E and copy this text, Ctrl C or right click, copy, and I'll open the UCS Renamer again. So now that is the first thing which should be filled. As you can see in the program, you have these 4 fields for text, and you have examples what kind of text you should type, and the example is actually what I need. So right click, paste, or Ctrl V shortcut, and now sound effect name. This is a sports sedan, and I'll type that. As you can see, the text I copy here is automatically copied in this box. Now I type my ID and the library name. I'll just copy it from here to speed up. And now we have generated prefix. This is what it should look like according to UCS. What I can do now is to select this, click copy, and then rename my files. So I could select this one and go here, paste. And now this file is done with the renaming. I didn't fill all the rows and columns in the sound miner, but let's pretend I did it first. I just don't want this video to be too long. But when you have a big library with many sound effects like this one. This one will probably have around 200 or 250 sound effects. Then you can add multiple files like I will do right now. So I will find, these are all libraries I'm currently preparing. So I need this one, and these are the two files I want to rename. If you have more, you will select more. Click on the open. Two files are added. Okay, so you have them here. Now what you do, you just, when this is typed, you just click rename files, and files are renamed successfully. As you can see, the two files which were not renamed before are now renamed like the one I did manually. Okay, so what you can also do when we have this typed, you can select, right click, copy, use Ctrl+C shortcut, or you can also click copy to clipboard, and the prefix is copied to clipboard. There's a reset button where you delete everything you typed and go from the beginning. There's also light mode if you don't like dark mode. I prefer dark mode. And there's a about button where you will find everything I already said in this video. So I hope this program can help you to speed up your work. If you have any idea, suggestion for the second version, you can send me an email or write it in the comment, and you can also report a bug. Thank you.